Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Razak the Tech Guy. So in this video I'm going to explain you and to make sure you already heard about this ongoing trend, that is Windows 11 is coming soon guys. Windows 11, actually the I have seen trailer of Windows 11. It is very awesome guys. Those Microsoft CEO as bringing us a wonderful feature of Windows 11 to all the users. So better you had a look on that, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you whether your device is compatible with Windows 11 or not. So without wasting time, let's go to it. So go to the any browser. You just type Microsoft Store, and once you clicked on it, you will find this website. Here you just select Windows 10 Microsoft Store India. So here you have to just find out whether you can able to use the Windows 11 features in your Windows 10 PC or not. So after coming to here, you just scroll down, and if not, if you want to see a directly Windows 11 page, you just go to here home. Just click on that. Once you click on home page, you will see you will able to find here this one introducing a Windows 11. Sorry, guys, introducing Windows 11. So Windows 11 brings you closer to what you love. What you love. So actually, guys, in detail, if you want to know about the Windows 11 clearly, what are the features and what are all the things it is bringing to us, so I'll explain it in another video. So in this video, I just want to show you whether your device is compatible with Windows 11 or not. So for your kind information, actually this Windows 11 is going to be available for all the user until next year. But now we are getting the beta versions, or many of the users have downloaded it. So actually many apps will get beta versions, testing versions, like this Windows 11 also got a test version, so like this. But according to me, we have to wait until the final version of Windows 11 come to us. Okay. So in this, after coming to the home page, you will find here introducing Windows 11. You have to just click on learn more. Once you click on learn more, then you will find this web page, and here you will able to see all the features. See, get fresh perspective, maximize your productivity, new ways to connect. See, this are all the features of Windows 11. We don't need that. We just want another topic. So next, see, once coming to this one, you just you can able to see this one. See, check for compatibility. Use the PC Health Check app to see if your current PC meets the requirements to run Windows 11. If so, you can get a free upgrade when it rolls out. See, they already said that. First, we have to check whether our PC is compatible. So to check, we have to download an app called PC Health Checkup. I think I have already installed it. So before going that, you can see here minimum system requirements for Windows 11. See, processor 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores are compatible 64-bit, memory 4 GB, storage 64 GB, system from secure boot capable, TPM trusted platform model. So all these are minimum requirements. Graphic card also required. DirectX 12 compatible graphics. Display also needed. HD resolution 720, internet connection. I think hope everyone will have internet connection connectivity, so no problem. So all these are minimum system requirements. So now coming to this one, check for compatibility. Here you just click on download app. Once you clicked on download app, it will directly go to the download page. See here, Windows PC Health Checkup is setup is download. Actually, I think I have downloaded it, so that's why it's here. It is again showing a setup one like this one. So we don't need this one. See, I don't want this because I have already downloaded. So I'll just directly open that PC Health Check app. Okay, in front of you. Just wait. Okay, where is that one? See guys, you can able to see here PC Health Checkup. See like this. Once I clicked on it, so this app help us to know whether our PC is compatible with that Windows 11 or not. So in the many of cases, we got information that many of the users are not, many of the devices are not compatible with the Windows 11. The reason behind this, wait, I'll just show you. It is taking time to load. See, again it is preparing to install an app. Oh, maybe I think I got an update. That's why it's installing. We just wait for a second, guys. I already downloaded now. Then why it's again showing installing? Oh my god. Hmm. So this is how the app installs, guys. So on that video I just showed you now. So like this, see, this app is downloaded. See, once you clicked on download app, see this type of Windows PC health checkup setup will be downloaded. Once download, you have to click on open file. When you clicked on open file, it will be installed. See, like this it is installing. Okay, guys. Okay, we have to wait for some time. So until it completes its installation, guys. Yeah, it's installing, guys. Okay, I think we got that thing. Yeah, see, PC health check. A new dialog box has opened. See here, guys. This is the way the app will open. See, actually, my device laptop GVB60D. It's I think it's a model number. See, I have a 4 GB RAM, 1 TB HDD. It's 2 years old. Yeah, I got it 2 years back. See here. It will ask us, let's check if this PC meets the system requirements. If it does, you can get the free upgrade when it's available. So, if our PC meets the system requirements, then in future this upgrade will get us. It will get to, it will get in our PC, okay, automatically. So once you open the, you have to click on check now. Once you click on check now, it will check whether your device is compatible. See, my device is not compatible, so this PC can't run Windows 11. Are you getting my point, guys? My Windows 10 PC is not compatible with Windows 11. You know why? Because the processor isn't supported for Windows 11. While this PC doesn't meet the system requirements to run Windows 11, you will keep getting Windows 10 update. See, because I think I did not updated. I'm getting updates day by day, so that's why. So if you want to get this update, you need to up to date. Okay, you have to update daily. You have to update all those drivers, all those many updates will be there now for Windows 10 users. So you have to update day to day. I mean, you must be up to date, then only this Windows 11 features will be available to you guys. So this is it, guys. Like this, you can check whether your Windows 10 PC is compatible with you, with your device or not. So this is, guys, simple. So I'll, if you are thinking if this video is tough, so I'll just give the link of this Windows 11, I mean Microsoft Store, Microsoft official link in my description. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, if you like my video, share, please share and subscribe. So thank you, guys. Good night.